Hey everybody, Josh over here at CFT. Today I want to talk about the Ecodiesel, and these are the intercooler baffles. So this style is found on the 14 and 15 year model only Ecodiesels. So they're a plastic designed baffle that's on your hot side pipe. So if you pop open your hood, you literally look to the right hand side where the driver's side is, you'll see this mounted just like this right onto the motor. So the thing with these, as you can see, it's fully baffled. It's a big old muffler. So we call them like the CAC pipe for a cold air container. There's many different names for it. So they put this on there. Not only does it just restrict your airflow, but it also just silences all the fun sounds that a turbo makes. So we developed back in 2014 a simple tube to remove this. There's two reasons why we kind of made this. First off, in our own truck that we had back then, we blew this apart. Factory stock, just blown apart. Don't know if it was because of cold weather or whatever issue it could have been, but there's always been plenty of reports of people actually blowing these apart. Also, it's about that time where you can't find half of these parts anymore. So we've got these made. They're very affordable. We could powder coat them. They come in 6,500 color options. So that will work for your 14 and 15 year model Ecodiesels. Your 14 to current Jeep Grand Cherokees, we got them with brackets welded onto them, and it will replace it right on the front core support. So when you pop open the hood and you go look, you'll see this directly in front of you, just like that. So literally unbolt it, comes with stainless steel hardware so it'll never rust. Puts it right in place, bolt in, put your lines back on it, you're done. So then you don't got to worry about this blowing apart on your Jeep Grand Cherokee Ecodiesel. So these are all available on our website, cftperformance.com. Like, share, subscribe. Keep following for more content.